On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2017 Fury 3110 by Prime Time. This bumper pull toy hauler is perfect for someone needing a smaller and more maneuverable camper that can still transport their favorite outdoor equipment. As you enter this model, you will appreciate the efficient use of space, providing both function and comfort. The kitchen has a stainless steel 2-burner cooktop with vent and microwave above. There are lots of surrounding cabinets and drawers, and you will enjoy the ample countertop space that the kitchen peninsula, with an integrated double sink, has to offer. On the opposite slide-out is a comfortable 2-person recliner, perfect for kicking back and relaxing. Moving on to the front of the unit, the bathroom is on the left, with a step-in skylit shower, mirrored medicine cabinet, countertop sink, and plenty of linen storage cubbies. Continuing to the private front bedroom, there is a queen-size bed, surrounded by large wardrobe cabinets. At the foot of the bed is an additional storage closet and wall-mounted TV. After a great night's rest, you'll wake up refreshed and renewed, ready to tackle the day's adventures. You'll find this toy hauler filled with all the essentials you need to make each trip enjoyable. Finally, we move into the rear convertible garage, giving you a place to store your toys while you are traveling. The convertible bed and dinette frame moves up and out of the way at the push of a button. There's also a second exterior door for quick access, and at the ceiling, a TV and additional storage space. Tie-down anchors in the floor hold your equipment down for transport, and then once arrived, you can configure this space for your adventure any way you need. No more dreaming. Get on the road to exciting travels today. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.